Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today is 9th of January 2018 and I will be analyzing Reliance Industries. First see the disclaimer. Whatever information you are viewing through this YouTube channel is entirely for educational purpose and any trade that you wish to take upon based on suggestions made here is only your responsibility and I can't be held illegally responsible for your profit or loss. So Reliance Industries. There are a lot of things I can talk about it on this chart, but then the main thing I will concentrate on is this breakout which happened here. So it was trading under a narrow range which went narrower, and then finally it has given a breakout above this. Now if I draw a horizontal line, this is currently resting here, a break above it, so possibly it might happen that it will break out tomorrow from this level. It has already given a breakout here, and in this Jan expiry only we might see a target of around 1000. So this target is very much possible, and as we are in bull trend, keep your positions long. Don't short this market because anytime the rally might ensue, and then if you are short you will be in heavy loss. So uh, guys, tomorrow if you are able to get hold of Reliance Industries, then you can take long positions here. It will be a very profitable trade. It's better that you take Reliance Industries future, because still there are 40-50 points that it can go. But then it does not mean that you have to square off only after it reaches 1000. No. So after a breakout it might retrace a bit. So see the intraday chart. If it remains positive, keep long, and if it starts to cool off, then you can book profit. But then from this level, again a new rally will ensue. Reliance Industry, which will take it to much higher levels, above 1100. But then let's not target that. First we need to see about this Jan expiry, and 1000 or 980 is definitely possible. So 50-60 points is still there, which Reliance Industry can move, taking Nifty at higher levels. So that's it guys. If you have any further queries, you ask in the comment section. Don't flood WhatsApp group because there are a lot of queries being asked there. So I will appreciate if you ask in the comment section and not in the WhatsApp group, because I do see all the comments and I reply to them. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.